Hey guys, welcome to Yuji's Kitchen. We're still on our bread series and today we're going to be making French toast. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. For the ingredients, you'll be needing bread, eggs, cinnamon, evaporated milk, and vanilla flavor. So these are all the ingredients you'll be needing for this recipe. So I'm going to start by adding my vanilla flavor into my eggs. I'm just going to add a very little amount of vanilla flavor. Now I'm going to add in my cinnamon. I'm also going to add a very little amount because cinnamon has a very strong flavor, so you don't need too much. Lastly, I'm going to add my evaporated milk. In this recipe, you can decide to add sugar if you want. Just don't add too much sugar, just add a very little amount of sugar, but I'm not going to be adding sugar to mine. Ensure you whisk your egg properly so that all the ingredients will be properly combined. Now I'm going to dip my bread into my egg mixture. Ensure the bread is completely submerged in the egg. So this is what your bread should look like. Next, smear a little amount of butter into your pan. Now add in your bread and leave it to toast for a few minutes. Ensure your cooker is on medium heat so your bread doesn't burn. Now I'm just going to flip this over and leave the other side to toast for a few minutes also. You have to be checking your bread from time to time to ensure that it is well toasted and doesn't get burnt. Now I just want the edges of my bread to be toasted too. You don't really have to do this, but I just like it. French toast is something you would really like, especially if you eat it with ice cream. It goes so well with ice cream. You can also add some syrup to it if you like, or you can have it with tea. Now our French toast is ready. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and also share with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.